Okay, so hi, I'm Aloysius. I'm from BCSU, and this is my Android Java assignment. For this, I've chosen to do a alarm clock app. It's a very simple app. There's not many functions inside, but it can work properly. So let's start with so basically, the Java class that I use is S3 as main activity to receive alarm, and for ringtone that plays the ringtones. And I use one layout, so basically you can see here is just only one layout. I didn't add any fragments inside, so there's only one. It has the spinner and the buttons, and I use the clock. I use the spinner mode. Yeah, so that's basically it. So let's start with how it works. So basically you set the time to this time, 11:56. So we change to 11 and then 56 AM. Then choose your ringtone. I did 7 ringtones inside. So we choose the doorbell. Then set the alarm. So it shows it. And you have to wait for it. Here it comes. So there's a notification that shows alarm going off. And so basically, for all of it, just press off alarm button and it offs immediately. And then you can choose it, do it with other ringtones, say watch alarm, and set to 11 to the same time as this, 11:57. So set the alarm again. It takes a while to load. Yeah, so here it comes again. It's kind of slow, so we just notification comes out again, alarm is going off, so we just off the alarm again. So yeah, so that's basically it. Yes, AM and PM. So when it's PM, then you can set it to PM, and it's AM, you can set it to AM. So that's basically how it works. It's a simple alarm clock app. So I hope you like it. Thank you.